मेरे पीटी और इन सब का बताओ। मेरे पीटी और इन सब में तो नहीं आते।
All right. So thanks for joining in for StartupLanes India Founders Meet. My name is Shishir Gupta. I'm the founder and CEO of StartupLanes. And this meeting is for introduction of each other with the other founders. And we have Kajal Chaudhary from our team. She will be taking this meeting ahead. I'm assigning the host rights to her. Kajal, you can introduce yourself now. You are the host.
Yeah. So hi everyone, I'm Kajal. I'm the community manager for the North India in StartupLanes.
All right, and I would like to request everybody, please switch on your video. This event is live at YouTube channel of StartupLanes. So if you don't switch on your video, then people won't be able to see anything and they lose interest. So over to you, Kajal. You can start now.
Yeah. So let me give you a short introduction for StartupLanes. So StartupLanes work on 3 pillars: funding, branding, and the sales. And we are there in 40 cities and the 7 countries. Recently, we have launched in US and UK, and we provide the A to Z services to the entrepreneurs, like few of the pitch deck designing, pitch deck making services, funding services, advisory, incubation, and branding leads and funding, as I told you. So let's start with the quick introduction of all the members. Let us start with, you can all unmute your mics. So let us start with Saurabh Singh. Saurabh, please give us a quick introduction of yours.
Hi, my name is Saurabh Singh, and right now I am staying at my hometown, Shahdol, MP. Basically, prior to this, I was working with various corporates in Mumbai. And in 2017, I have shifted down to my hometown where I have land and property to take care of. Basically, like my background is from an agriculture background, and my dad was a government servant. But like after coming here, I saw the plight of farmers. Like even the people who own the lands, they don't have the money even to maintain that land and grow some crop into it. So they are doing daily wages here. So like the people who are nearby to my land, they are coming to me to asking for jobs, like if they can do it on the daily wages. So then I thought that if something comes to me wherein I can develop my farm, as well as I can help the people who are going, means they are earning to the tune of like 100 rupees per day, and that too not 30 days. 30 days employment they are not getting. So they are really living in a very pathetic situation. So I have really no idea, and honestly, even I don't have any plans as such that what I will be doing for it. But I want to gain something from this platform and want to apply there, so that some changes can come. Plans as such that what I will be doing for it, but I want to gain.
Okay. So, Saurabh, there's one more question for you. So, what are you expecting from this community?
See, as like I'm just expecting the ideas, what I should grow, which can give some consistent income to me as well as the people surrounding me. They are basically the tribal people. They are really even don't have the phones till today's date, so they are not at all exposed to anything. So I don't
Hmm.
expect any kind of funding or just the ideas and the way to sell those products to somewhere which can give the incomes.
Okay. Okay. So let's move forward to Rakesh. So, can you please give us your introduction for 2 minutes?
Yeah, hi everyone. Uh, my name is Rakesh. I'm a founder and CEO of Southbridge IT Services Private Limited. Our office is located in Madhapur in High Tech City, Hyderabad. We are a team of 20 people. We do software development works uh, in the department of mobile application development and web applications and digital marketing. So far, we have helped almost 40 plus startups. Uh, I'll tell you two highlights. Like who are startups who gained funding from the different people. Uh, One of the projects is called PO. That is one of our startup. So we help them to from the scratch to the build the completely application, and now they got 25% acquisition from the IRCTC. And one of the most another project we have developed for Tanla Solutions Limited. We developed for them to manage their internal calls through the mobile application. Now they are managing that application from the work from home. This situation, that application will help them a lot. So these two applications that I majorly recommended to see you all. My request for this meeting, if anybody have any idea to start a mobile application or website, if anybody need any guidance to how to start, what are the formalities or what are the guidelines needs to be maintained. So please do contact me. I'm available for any information.
Okay. Thank you, Rakesh. Next, Devashish.
Hi, as I said, so this being the introductory call, I just introduce myself. I'm from Delhi NCR. I am the mentor to a company called Insta Fitness Private Limited, which is based out of Delhi NCR and serving Pan India as such. So the primary target segment across is the people who wants to get fit, and of course, as you all know, that the fitness has suddenly boomed up. And my experience completely has been around with fitness, with high-end, you can say, gyms and technology around it. Uh, the agenda, the idea to come here is to explore that how, with my experience and the team that we have, how this platform can support in funding.
Okay.
We are going fast as such, wherever we want to be. We also have an in-house application which serves now 25,000 clients already in India. We want to see that how, and what's happening is that perhaps all of our experience is more into ops and sales and marketing, and the place where we are struggling is to have an in-house tech team to build in a technology platform to meet the consumer requirement and be competitive over the other players in the market. And second is the guidelines or assistance in funding. So if things work around, we can have a formal set of meeting and along with the founders as well. That's about it.
Sure.
Yeah, you can talk to Kajal separately for that
Okay.
after the meeting.
All right, Shishir. Thank you.
Thank you, Devashish.
Yeah.
So, may I request you, Beneath, to give your introduction?
Hey everyone, this is Beneath. I just joined the call. I did not had anything in my mind, before I joined the call. I've been with the corporate sector in IT for last 15 years, and Right now, juggling between, what kind of startup I can do. And we were actually doing one startup. It's not a new idea, I would say, but kind of, where we saw a lot of people who are actually abroad, and they have their houses here. They are not able to rent out the house, and things like that, and manage their houses here. So we kind of started something on that platform, and doing it for last 6 months. But we are still, a lot of things to be done there. So right now I stay here, stand here, but not much of expectation right now. Just wanted to understand how others are doing.
Okay. Okay, Vinit. Thank you for the introduction. So, Jyoti, Jyoti, may I request you for the quick introduction?
Hi, I'm Jyoti Chandani. I'm Jyoti Chandani from Ahmedabad, and my business is catering business. And हम लोग ऑलरेडी इस बिजनेस में हैं, बट मैं एक है ना उसमें नया टेक्नोलॉजी भी यूज करना चाहती हूँ. तो कैन यू समबडी इज अ को फाउंडर एज अ सीटीओ टाइप टू हेल्प मी? आप उसमें मुझे हेल्प आउट कर सकते हैं? कोई मिले? हेलो, आर यू लिसनिंग?
Yeah. Jyoti, you can do one thing. You can just share your requirement with me over the WhatsApp. I can surely help you in this.
On this WhatsApp group, in this group only?
No. You can take my number from the website.
Okay,
It is
give me.
there. Yeah, you can DM me.
Okay, बोलिए नंबर आपका.
Okay, I'll message you.
My number is there. Do you have my number?
No, I'm giving you in the chat. Just a second. Yeah.
Okay.
So, Vijay Trivedi.
Yeah,
How may I
hi,
request?
this is Vijay Trivedi over here. Just to introduce a little bit about my work and my experience, total experience. I have worked into corporate sectors for about 5 years, a total experience of about 15 to 16 years. Yeah. And among that, I've started working with corporates for about 5 to 6 years down the line. Worked for different BPOs and into finance sectors, and then probably I was in UK for 4 years, did my masters from UK, worked over there as assistant manager, and then came back to Mumbai. I'm basically now in Mumbai. Sorry, now in Mumbai. And yeah, from last 6 years, 6 to 7 years, I am into real estate sector. Okay, looking into marketing and sales. And from last 2 years, I am into my own business. First, I started a job, yeah, with a few of the companies, few big companies, and then started my own business into real estate. Now I as a sole seller, I undertake different projects for sales and marketing. And of course nowadays everybody knows that real estate sector has gone down completely, yeah, during this lockdown. So I was looking for different opportunities as well to explore, yeah. And that is how yesterday we got to know a few good things, got to introduce with a few good people yesterday along with Shishirji, yeah. And yeah, I'm glad to join the group in which probably we can, as co-founder, I can contribute my time, my entire 8 hours, and we can come up with something good and really do something for the society as well.
Thank you so much, sir, for contributing.
Okay.
So let's Sarfraz Ahmad.
Yeah, good morning. I'm Sarfraz Ahmed, and I had been into designing sector for last 18 years, and hopefully I've attached with many corporate sectors also, and I worked for various corporates also for the developing of POP material, that is point of purchase materials for business. Now at present I'm looking forward some good standout for in this sector, from the architects, interior designers, as well as from various other manufacturing divisions. We develop brochures, catalogs. We develop the point of purchase materials like danglers and various other forms of branding for the company. So I'm just looking forward for that, as well as I want to work for certain NGOs and develop something for the society. Thank you very much.
So can we have Afreen Sayed? Afreen, could you please unmute your mic and give us an introduction?
Yeah. Hi. Hello, everyone. I'm there in Startup Lane since almost last 6 months now. And I'm Afreen Sayed. I belong to the company. I'm one of the founder of the company, Agents Infosystem Private Limited. We are into the category of web application and mobile application development. To our kitty, like we have developed a lot of applications which are related to IoT as well as which are even hardware integration also we have done. To our kitty, we have developed a whole system of electronic charging vehicles with OCPP and HTTP protocol, which is very much in hot, and it is in the name of Charge Grid. And we are also working with underground mines with Agucha, that is Hindustan Zinc Limited, and we have implemented the whole ERP of the tracking of the production as well as the vehicles 15 kilometer inside the mines, that is inside the underground mines. And like this, we are implementing the ERP system onto different locations as well. We have also developed a platform which is similar to what we are taking now, that is Zoom. Our own platform is there. So that is also in house we have developed that platform which is equivalent to Zoom, and we want to promote that particular thing. And if in Startup Lane, if you can help us promote that platform so that we Indians can use our Swadeshi in built conference application. So we are also into customized mobile application. We are developing on open platform. We are developing on open platform, that is all React, Angular, and Node, and also mobile applications on Flutter, React Native, as well as on Ionic and all the other things. So that's what exactly my introduction is, and nice to getting introduced with Startup Lane people. Thank you. This is signing off, Afreen Sayed from Urgence Infosystem Private Limited. Thank you.
Thank you, Afreen. So you can connect with me after this call. We can surely help you out in the promotions.
Sure. Thank you.
So can we have Subodh Singh now?
Yeah, hi. This is Subodh Singh. I'm a founder and CEO of Glib Incorporated. And doing it. Hello, can you all hear me?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
We can hear you.
Yeah, so I've got over 25 years of experience in this industry, about 10 years in the US, and I've come back. I can hear others speak. Can you go on mute, please? Those who are not speaking. All right. So I've got this company where we build ERP applications from scratch for small and medium business applications, small and medium businesses, where we have a very powerful framework where we can go from zero to an ERP application in 3 months once we have the requirements frozen out. So it's very fast, very quick. It's completely an open source. It is completely responsive, as well as it has got mobility friendly interfaces with all the notifications, alerts, and messaging involved. And then it is very fast. So we can say that we have this application, it's already there, but once we have the requirements, we quickly configure it. No need for a lot of sources. Since this is completely open source, it can be done fast and people can learn it very quickly. It makes almost zero coding and then we getting the output delivered in very short period of time. We don't need to really write a lot of code. There is scope for writing code also if there is a high customization needed, but that is very rare because most of the functionality is already available. If something is not, then obviously I know there will be something which is not available, so it can be coded and rightly built in and integrated. That's me, Subodh Singh from Glib Incorporated.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the introduction. Now may I request Ajay Mehta to give us a short introduction of yours, sir?
Sure. Hi, guys. I'm Ajay. I'm the co-founder of a consultancy firm called Altiorem Consultancy Private Limited. And I'm also one of the co-founders of the recently incubated tech company called Sanchar Technologies with StartupLanes. My background is basically I'm from marketing field, and I am more into my specialization is into consulting corporates for retail branding and their visual merchandising requirements. I have been working for a lot of corporate brands like Airtel, Vodafone, Lenovo, and other MNCs as well. So, yeah, that is basically my short introduction. So it's retail branding and visual merchandising consultancy, which is what we do for corporates.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for the introduction. Now, may I have Ajay Agrawal? Sir, could you please unmute your mic?
Yeah, I hope you all can hear me.
Yeah.
This is Ajay Agrawal. I'm the founder of Infinity, and we have a vertical called School Plus. As the name suggests, we try to add value to school education. We feel that, especially with this pandemic, there needs to be a lot more technology. At the same time, it cannot remove the children from the conventional systems of education. So we are trying to work out systems wherein we can help schools integrate their present education system with technology, especially because teachers, parents, all are not very much in the same platform, and help this technology reach the students with the correct form of education rather than just using WhatsApp or using Zoom or using Google Meets. Something so that the teachers can find it easy, students can find it easy, and parents also find it. So that is what we are attempting to do. We are a 20-year-old firm. We've been doing promotions, we've been doing school activities for a long time.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, can we have Akshit Sharma?
Sure. Hi, I'm Akshit. I'm the co-founder of Baskin. At the moment, we are working on the B2C model. So we are into the business of delivering the essential items to the doorstep of the people. We are presently working in India. We are working in Meerut at the moment. We are expanding to Agra and Dehradun and Delhi very soon, within next 5 to 10 days. Uh, we have the plans for expanding into B2C domain. At the moment, we have our own platform. We have created our own app through which the people can, they can post orders from our platform. Going forward, we are also creating a marketplace platform where, many common stores, those who have not got the digital access till now, they can list their products on those platforms. And going forward, we'll also be entering the the drone AI specific domain, as well as the B2B chain, where we'll be implementing digital stores as well. So we are already into the process of building our own AI team, and we are already into the process of developing AI systems into this app. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, Akshit. So now can we have Aman Kapoor?
Hi everyone, my name is Aman Kapoor, and I am working in the corporate sector for around like 15 years now. and I have managed different profiles wherein procurement is there. I worked for BPOs. I am currently working as a business development and project manager for an IT company. So that is mostly cloud-based company. So I would like to, when I found this idea from Startup Lane about this training sessions for training, giving training to the farmers. So I think that is a good idea because that has a lot of potential, wherein I can dedicate my, some time in the company as well and help them build a proper company. So just wanted to be, a part of my own venture. That is what my goal is, to start something on my own. Thank you.
Okay. So now can we have Amit?
Yeah, hi. So this is Amit from Bangalore. I am the founder of a mobile app called B app. B stands for business. So it's a combination of Meetup, India Mart, and Yellow Pages. So we're going online with the concept. We've been there for the past 7 months in the market. We have close to around 1,000 plus downloads. We have a database of around 30,000 plus business owners in Bangalore, and 400, satisfied B app members. We are catering to mostly the MSME, and we're trying to collaborate with IT industries. So I'm also looking out for a co-founder to scale my app to other parts of the country. So right now we are only focused in Bangalore. If anybody wants to collaborate with us, we welcome you. The app is available free on the Android and iOS. I can even share my details on the chat box. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amit. Bhushan, can we have you for the introduction?
Yeah, hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Hi, I'm Bhushan Kumar. I'm founder and CEO of Creative Monk. It's a Mumbai-based branding firm. And over the years, what I realized, like a small business or a startup, they just don't require just a branding service, also the digital marketing services, because they always used to say, if you are doing my branding, where I'll go find the digital agency. So now I have positioned myself one-stop solution for small business, and that's my mission also, to help 1 lakh business person to leverage the power of a digital platform. And for this, I have just launched an initiative last week only, BeDigitalNow.net, where I promise that I'll help any business to migrate or to go on a digital in 30 days flat, because I have a team of writer, designer, and web developer also. And as a past, I'm a creative person, and I have worked in Ogilvy, Mudra, Lintas, and what about lots of Big Bazaar. I was creative director on Big Bazaar for 8 years, and I have worked on Mahindra Jailo. I launched Mahindra Navy startup in India. That's about me and my company, and what I require from my Startup Lanes. 2 things. Being a creative person, I always find challenging in a marketing and sales department. So I'm always in lookout for somebody who can complement in as a co-founder or in some way in a marketing, so that I can scale my company Creative Monk. And my company is now almost 10 years old now. So this is me. Yeah, Kajal, I'm done.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Can we have Chetan Kumar?
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Chetan Kumar. I'm from Rebotech Info Media. I'm based out at Hyderabad. and we have registered a firm recently, almost a month ago, and we help startups start their operations in south of India, basically Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So if you have a startup and you are looking forward to expand your operations in AP and Telangana, then maybe we can be of help in organizing the resources, setting up the offices, and giving you leads also. If and we already tied up with two companies recently. One is based out at east of India, and second one is based out in Bombay, called Vlogs and VT India. And this is just the beginning. It's been a week since we started up our office here, and we are still in cooperation. And we'll have a website soon. So any startup who comes and wants to put its feet and expand in south of India, then will be of your help. Will be of some help to you. And we'll be writing about. We are also working on our website, on which we'll be publishing about your performance and your previous experience and the clients that you have already worked for. So that is how we'll help you. So if anybody is looking forward to set up its operation in South AP and Telangana, then we'll be of much use to you. So that is about us. Since we are just a week old and we are still working on a lot of operations and we have clients coming up and we are into negotiations, so yes, it will take some time for us to do this. And we're looking forward to support from Startup India to help us in guiding us how to set up this. And if there are things which are required, we may be missing out things because of lack of experience, then yes, we'll be looking forward to that exposure from Startup Lanes and all the friends who are associated with this. So I've also joined Startup Lanes recently. It's been hardly a week or 10 days. And I'm just looking into it, reading out all the requirements of startups, and it's quite encouraging. I'm glad to be a part of it. So that is it. And regarding my experience, I've got around 20 years of experience in the telecom industry. I've worked in top companies like Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, Disney DSL Limited, based out at Delhi. And I worked in 4-5 states, so I know the operations and the people culture of that location. And yes, we can do this. So that is about me, Kajal.
Thank you, sir. And we have Gautam, can you?
Okay. Uh, can we have Himanshu Arora?
Hi, good morning. This is Himanshu. I represent a company by the name of in health tech space, Medisetu, and we specialize in providing solutions to people on health and wellness platform. And my ask is that I would like to connect to people who are specialists of their domain, especially in health and wellness. And my give is my connect in Times Group. Thank you.
Thank you, Himanshu. Can we have Jaideep?
Hello, everyone. This is Jaideep Pawar. Recently got associated with Shishirji and on AgriPad initiative. Basically into corporate world for last 20 years, Harvard B School graduate and having over 21 years of experience into BFSI domain, largely leading teams in global markets, currently associated with Euronet Worldwide as their sales director and PNL leader for APAC region. About to start my own organization in the month of November. Already done the prerequisite. It is more into digital payments domain. Have been mentor to couple of digital payments organization which are into payment gateway and facilitating financial inclusion side of business. So I'm on board of couple of those organizations as well. Here with StartupLanes, I'm looking to work with Shishir and team on AgriPad initiative, and looking forward to contribute my learnings and experience of corporate world to give it back to society and make something big which is good for society. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Can we have Mukesh Kumar? Sir, can you please unmute, introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi, I'm Krish. I'm from Cheese Photography. We are a photography platform where photographers can upload their portfolio. We provide branding solutions to industry brands, those who are in like Nikon, Canon, those who are in photography. Thank you. We are based out of Delhi, and we are in market for last 4 years. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Can we have Natasha?
Yeah, hi, this is Natasha Amre. I'm the founder of Mave Therapy, a mental health startup. So actually, we are just like, final year students at this moment, and we've been working, like I personally have been working in the mental health domain for 2 years, and the startup has been in place for say 3-4 months now. We cater to most like affordable therapy by verified professionals. So our aim is that these days mental health is perceived first thing as taboo, and secondly, it's perceived as a luxury. So like a physical health is very important, but mental health, you don't want to go to a doctor, you don't want to spend money, or it's expensive and all of that. So our aim is to bring affordable therapy to people and make it accessible to everyone. We have just teamed up with another startup from Mumbai itself. Like we are from Mumbai, so we've teamed up with from Mumbai, who provide self-help tools and positivity. So they are like an app that they provide. So yeah, even I am at this moment looking for someone who could help me, put a co-founder for that matter, put a sales funnel in place, because the challenges of this industry is mostly that there's no awareness. So it's like a process that we have to build up from the ground. So yeah, if somebody could help me with that, that'd be great. Yeah, I'm done. Thank you, Kajal.
Thank you, Natasha. So now can we have NM Patel? Sir, can you please unmute your mic and give us your introduction? Okay. We can proceed to Prasanna. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Kajal, you can move ahead with the new next one. I think he's facing some difficulty.
Yeah, yes, sir. Pushpa Rao.
Hello, sorry, Kajal, I lost the connection after a temporary moment. I got reconnected. Prasanna here.
Not not an issue, sir.
Hello.
So
Hello.
if you know you don't have other people lined up,
Hi, this is Pushpa. Yeah, can I speak?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Hi, everybody. This is Pushpa Rao. I'm the director, founder of Over the Horizon. Over the Horizon is actually a tour company. We are registered and based in Mauritius. We are a B2B company and our clients are travel agents based worldwide. Our company main markets till now has been Saudi Arabia and Middle East market and Africa. We are looking at expanding to Australia, Europe, UK, and Southeast Asia post-COVID. Right now, of course, tourism is going through through a slump, but Mauritius, has dealt with COVID very well. I also need to mention that Over the Horizon, the tour company that I'm the founder of, it is based and registered in Mauritius. And we do not have any branch right now in India, so it is based over there. We are ready in Mauritius. We are ready to open the airports as early as October. Post COVID, of course, we are expecting a tsunami of tourists coming into Mauritius. Mauritius is a 12-month destination, and right now I'm looking for an investment partner who has passion to invest in travel, and that too in a country like Mauritius. Partnership in my company will not only give the partner a foothold in Mauritius, but also be a part of a profitable company. And very briefly, my background, I've been 34 years, I've been in the airline and the tourism industry, and I'm an Indian citizen. And I moved to Mauritius in 2014 by opening my company. It would be a pleasure to take this forward from here and meet the investors. If we can get a chance, I think it would be really nice. Kajal, over to you.
Sure, ma'am, sure. I will connect you after the call.
Sure. Thank you, Kajal.
So can we have Rajesh Agrawal? So can you please just unmute your mic and give us an introduction for 2 minutes?
Sorry. Hello, everyone. This is Rajesh Agrawal. Just to talk about myself, like I'm founder and CEO of company Asan Services. This is basically a software development company. And we, of course, develop mobile applications, web applications, portals. We work a lot in artificial intelligence and machine learning. That's a different stuff. But basically, we are a recognized startup in the waste management domain. So we have built our own portal by the name AWM. It's called Asan Waste Management. And it's a portal for all the people dealing in waste management across world. We are already working in around 7 countries as of now, and a leading company in waste management in India itself. So basically around that, if I talk about myself, then we are around 5 years old company. Prior to this, I'm having experience of around 12 years working with MNCs like Oracle, and later part I was working with Google for many years. Dropped from there, started own company. So basically we are into the waste management. Our 60 to 70% revenue comes from waste management portal itself. And other than this, we have our own CRM, which we have launched recently for free forever, particularly for one user. And other than this, we have few, you can say, portals or applications in the for the modular kitchen businesses and the furniture businesses, and particular people working in the trophy manufacturing and all. So we have a detailed and very detailed system around that, so that they can work around in that system. And if I talk about what I'm looking for, so I'm again looking for, we are working in the waste management domain for get a good investment. We are already a profitable company in this part, but we need to launch big and move ahead very fast, because it's going to take a billion dollar industry in coming 3 to 4 years. That's more about me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Can we have Rajiv Gupta?
Yeah, sure, Kajal. Thank you. I'm Rajiv. I am from recruitment and industry. Uh, my company name is JK Techno Hub, and we are taking care of IT as well as non-IT recruitment consulting services. And we are working in Pan India, and we are taking care of majorly IT requirements. But depending upon the client's requirement, we take care of non-IT also. And we are looking for new clients. Those may be having any sort of requirement, we can certainly take care of those. Thank you. Yeah, Kajal.
Thank you, sir. Rohit Ranjan.
Hello. Yes, this is Rohit Ranjan. I am co-founder of Art of VFX Studios Private Limited. I am in visual effects services from last 5 years. We are delivering visual effects services to major production houses based in India and US. We have our major clients are like Yashraj Films, Red Chillies, and a lot of studios based in US also. Now I am also a part of a startup incubated by StartupLanes, that is called Sanchar, and it is a startup which is focusing on a business chat and social chat app. So that's all from my side. Yes, that's all.
Thank you, Rohit.
Thank you.
Can we have Ram? Sir, can you please just give us an introduction about yourself? Okay. Move ahead. Shravan Kumar.
Hi, Ms. Kajal. Thanks for inviting me to this platform. So we are. I'm the founder of a video platform. The name of the company itself is called Video, WEEDO, and we are building a marketplace where retailers and customers can connect through the video platform and shop in the video. So currently we are in the launching stage, and we are looking to make the app live by end of this month. And primarily I'm looking for investor connects from StartupLanes. If you have any questions, you can ask me, or yeah. Thank you.
Sure, Shravan. You can just drop your contact number in the chat box. I'll connect with you.
Sure, thank you.
So we have Sriraman sir here. So may I request you for the introduction?
Hi, Kajal, am I audible?
Yeah.
Kajal,
Yes,
am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good morning to all. My name is Sriraman Shantana. I had been 25 plus years of experience across multiple industry, manufacturing, retail, IT, ITS, and I had managed various responsibility from the technology side, operation side, end-to-end operations I've managed. Last couple of years I've been associated with my consulting services. I'm doing end-to-end consulting, especially I'm helping startup and the mid-sized companies to do their strategy planning, to build their vision, mission, and also to do their sales strategy, and also to their operation setup. I've been helping. I've been And with respect to the startup lanes, my company name is Transai Consulting Services. This is with respect to my consulting. And with respect to that startup lanes, I had been associated with startup lane in multiple. One is I'm a regional director for that Chennai region, mostly working with Shruti. She's the community manager, and Shishir too. I'm associated with the past of 4-5 months with the startup lanes. And also I am part of another startup with the startup lane, the Swaraj. It is into e-commerce portal. We are 8 of co-founders. That project was incubated by startup lanes. I'm heading that particular team as a CEO role I'm playing, and we are about to working on this. Our development is going on now. Probably by end of next month, we are hitting the market with the Swaraj, the e-commerce portal. Apart from that, separately, one of my friend and myself is working on another startup. It is into healthcare domain. Now it's into connecting doctor and patients platform. That's about a telemedicine portal, and that's also I'm working. That's also going to hit the market. It's from Chennai. It's going to hit the market by next month. We are planning to hit the market. My ask from here is we have been looking for co-founders for our e-commerce startup who is good experience in especially digital marketing side that we are looking. Anybody is in from the coding side also who is having experience in Android and iOS app development will be welcome to join in our e-commerce team, the Swaraj team, as a co-founder. With respect to my specific view, I can connect. I'm part from Chennai. If any of you need any kind of support or any help through Startup Lane Chennai, or also separately, I have a lot of connects with many multiple business owners. Can very well connect. Thank you. Thanks to Shishir. It's a good platform to, especially the people who are having a ambition to do the startup. Shishir is helping a lot. Shishir, thank you, Shishir. Thank you, Kajal.
Welcome, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, can I talk now? I am Shivakumar. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Shivakumar from Dream Engineers and consultant from Bangalore. We have been doing for a fire and security system for all type of retail and restaurant, cloud kitchens, and for fire and safety norms for to implementing in all the metros. And right now we have been doing from since 7 years old company it is. So we have been working across the South India and based out from Bangalore. So now, right now, we wanted to expand our branches to the for South India's for all the metro cities, and mainly for we have been working for mandatory and regulatory requirement for all safety and security systems. And any cloud kitchens has to be installed with gas leak detectors, like all fire and safety norms has to be installed. So we are closely working with Swiggy for cloud kitchens and Zomato, and for so many MNCs we have been working for along with that for to implement all and fire and safety system. So we wanted to expand our business and also to develop the infrastructures of the company, and we are expecting for the investors for a company to take it forward. And thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Can we have Subodh Singh?
I think I've already introduced myself.
Okay. Yeah. So sorry, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Vineet Maheshwari.
Hi, good morning, everyone. This is Vineet Maheshwari. I'm based in Pune. As a background, I have worked as company secretary and in finance department for big corporates like Cummins, Volkswagen, and Honeywell Group. And now I have started my own practice, and I am acting as a business consultant to all the startups that you guys are starting. So, right from incorporation of an entity till the regular compliance, and if you're stuck somewhere on any of the finance matters, we are there to help you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So can we have Vijay Trivedi?
Yeah, I think
Vijay
I
sir,
have
can I
already
request you
introduced.
for an
Yeah,
introduction?
we've already introduced. I've already introduced myself.
Okay.
Ajay
So,
Mehta is left.
anybody who
Ajay Mehta.
requested an introduction? No,
No, I've
sir.
already given my
Okay,
introduction
okay.
to Chief. I've already
All
done that.
right. All right. Anyone who's left out?
That's here's Vasundhara here.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
Vasudha.
Yeah, so basically, I'm from the education department or the education sector with over 18 years of experience. I have been dealing with the schools and the higher education, been into learning and development of corporates also. So, the primary reason I'm with AgriPad here is because I feel more than half our population is with the agricultural sector, and this is one sector where probably education has not reached as it should. So one, I would like to support the farmers and trying to educate them as to the best means or what practices available. Secondly, I would also like to work for education for their children. So basically it is something that really motivates me, and that's the primary reason I'm here. Apart from that, I have my own edtech company, and how this is going to help me is probably down the line, the contacts we make, they should be able to help me. But I'm here basically to see that this whole agricultural ecosystem can get better in the long term. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
So is
I
there
joined late.
anybody
I'm
else
Ashish.
who?
Yeah, this is Ashish. I joined a bit late.
Okay. Yes, sir. Please introduce.
Yeah. So good afternoon, guys. I am Ashish Singh. I am the CEO and the co-founder of Quinfi Technology. We are basically into the HR tech space. We use blockchain for employee background verification. We started this company. I have around 18 years of corporate HR experience. I was a global HR head for Edison Technologies before I started this. We started this in 2019 August, and we use blockchain security and ensure that the process becomes GDPR compliant for international locations also. And we are providing a lot of support to Indian clients. We do roughly about 2,000 verifications per month as of now. And we are going into other geographies. We've got a plan laid out. And we are here, to connect with the other startups who are interested in getting employee background verification done, or even if somebody is interested in collaborating and have some innovative product that we can collaborate with. So that's the reason I'm here. Thank you. So back to you, Kajal.
Thank you, sir. So I think, Shishu sir, we are done with all. Is there anyone else?
Hi, I joined late. Can I?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. I'm Gautam from Coimbatore, and I'm the founder of talktoadvocate.com, where we connect advocates with common people and corporates. So it is kind of a tele-legal system that we do. So we cater all around Tamil Nadu. And in the next phase of scalability, we are trying to scale up all over India. That is it about my startup.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. Prasanna here.
Yes, sir.
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi.
Hello.
Hi, this is Prasanna here. I work on a couple of things, but I would not cover all of them. Primarily, I will cover the fintech that I'm currently working on. It's a fintech product, and we've got a patent for it. Rather, we filed for it, and we're just waiting for it to be confirmed. And we are actually looking for top-notch mobile app developers and somebody who can develop an SDK. So when I say SDK, this would be an SDK plus more on the lines of an NFC card. So anyone, if you can help, and if you know anyone who's into this technology or who's very good at mobile apps, please get in touch with us. And the organization's name is Splosh. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Maybe we have our gold members who can do this. it would be better if you can just share your contact details over the chat box with me so that I can connect with you later.
Sure, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I think we are done with the introductions. So anybody, if you have any kind of
Yes, we are done with the introduction. Anyone has any query to ask before we close the call?
Hi, Shishi. This is Beneath. So I'm not sure the agenda quite on with this call.
Yeah,
But
for today
can
it was
we-
just introduction because there were so many people in 2 hours. We cannot have anything more than that. But we are planning to have this regularly every day. This is today we did the testing. So from tomorrow onwards, there would be a call between 11 to 1 for all the founders in the entire SL ecosystem, so that they can collaborate, exchange business with each other, learn from each other. And this is going to happen every day. Plus, we are planning to have sectorial meetups, say for fintech, for HR. These kind of meetups would be also done. Plus, we are starting. We had a lot of offline events for funding. So we will be having online events for funding now because we don't know till how much time this corona issue will take. So we will test that funding event also online, and then we'll start with those. Okay.
So Shishir, is it like for the co-founders like we discussed yesterday in the call? So
No,
it
that
is
was
different.
different. That was for incubation.
Okay.
This is entire SL co-founder meet, not for incubated startups. This is for everybody.
For everybody. Okay. All right. So tomorrow will again these will be for everyone if they wanted to join, right? Or
Right.
is it
So
like something
yeah,
to take it from there or
yeah.
like
We
and for
have
that
our gold membership system, but
okay.
uh, 3 members can join 3 meetups. But what we are doing is this month and next month till 20th. That means entire 1 month. It will be free for all bronze and free members. Plus, automatically any startup founder who gets incubated in StartupLanes becomes a gold member by default. So
Okay.
all the incubated startup founders can come in. Plus, in fact, everybody from SL ecosystem will be coming up for these meetups. For 1 full month, it will be free for all. After that, only for gold members.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so for that, for incubation, those co-founders, the call will be different for, and that will be intimated differently, right?
Yes. For that, it is different call,
Okay,
and this is for
just an
this is on a
introduction.
different platform. Entire SL meetup is there.
All right, all right, all right. Got it, got it. Thanks.
Hi, Shishir. This is Amit. Is it only open to SL group members, or we can invite others?
No, open for all. Open for all.
Okay.
Anybody who's a founder or is a potential founder or a mentor, any person who is ecosystem enabler or investor, this is for all.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Going forward, we will be inviting a few investors, few corporate CEOs in our meetup, so that even learning can happen. And for all the gold members, please prepare a session for 8 to 10 minutes. We will be allowing 2 slots to everybody, so that you can the community members can learn from you something and you get more business. 8 to 10 minute slots, 2 slots every day.
So excuse me, this is Sarfraz Ahmed. What requisite for becoming a gold member?
Yeah, for becoming gold member, you need to contact Kajal. Leave your number in the chat box and mention you want to become a gold member. Kajal will call you offline.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So thank you everyone, and let's join tomorrow again. Thanks for joining in. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Kajal, you can, yeah, thank you all.